Hey everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix, or if you're just joining me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. I am doing some DIY 4th of July patriotic home decor items for you today. I have 3 DIYs that I'm doing, and I normally don't decorate for the 4th of July, so I have been inspired by some of my YouTube friends, and I've seen some of their videos and their beautiful decor, so I thought I would try to come up with something for myself to decorate my entryway that was inexpensive or didn't cost me anything because I already had most of the items around the house. So I wanted to share what I came up with. Like I said, I have 3 DIYs, so stick around. So this first project was inspired by Pinterest. I will leave a link down below of where I found this because I pretty much did almost the same exact thing as what I found. I just changed maybe a couple of things around and used some different paint. But basically all it is some 2x4s, and I cut 4 pieces to 4 inches long and 2 pieces to 8 inches long. And then I just painted the fronts of them red and white, or I used cream in this case. And then I cut out a star and painted around that with the blue so that I would have a star. And then after that, I took some sandpaper and sanded it down to distress it. And then I had the resemblance of a flag. And then I just tied a piece of string around that so that way I would have a little bit of a bow and make it more rustic. And I think it turned out great. So for this next project, I decided to make a red, white, and blue candle, and I just used some blue and red crayons and melted those down and added it to a Dollar Tree jar. I used some cotton twine for the wick, and for the white, I actually used some melted tea lights. Now, I did not wait long enough, and I ended up getting pink when I added the white the first time. So that was kind of a bummer, but I still think the candle turned out great. I added some cinnamon, ginger, and clove essential oils to it to make it smell pretty, and I think it turned out really cute. So for this last project, I just decided to use some Dollar Tree items that I had lying around to make a little wreath, and I stuck some of the floral from the Dollar Tree, just cut that and placed it inside the willow wreath. And then I took this burlap sort of red striped blue star ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree and tied a little bow and placed it onto my wreath with some hot glue. And I think it just turned out so cute and farmhouse, very rustic. You can see here in this video that I decided to change the bow to the bottom instead of the top, but I just love how it turned out. Alright, so that's it. I just love how all of these easy, simple DIYs that didn't cost me anything turned out, and I got to decorate my entryway for the upcoming 4th of July. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.